room 4.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
All right, you ready for another experiment today?
This is a fun one.
So this is it also in your packet, in your folder that we sent home. So this is the one with this toast. Well, it's bread right now, so it's toast. And
No, it's hard to see.
I don't even know. And hopefully you have some food coloring. So we're gonna paint bread.
Those are the printed out instructions.
Yes.
So find those in your folder.
Find
and follow
those. See
along
the
with
pretty
us.
pictures. See.
Mhm.
All right. So we have all of our ingredients and our supplies.
Got a
So we got a
toaster.
toaster. Read the directions. It says start by make your paint by adding 4 drops of food coloring. And we can experiment by mixing colors to make new shades.
So we have 3 colors. What color is this? Red.
And I have yellow.
Yellow. Blue.
Or see what happens with the milk.
Is that a better angle? There. So we made our yellow.
Okay. Then the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and do blue. Oh,
That's a strong one.
it just drips right out of there.
A little goes a long way. So if you have this,
check
oh, that's
that out. Isn't that
beautiful.
pretty?
If you have this, maybe have a parent or family member do it for you.
Yeah, this
'Cause you
stuff
only
stains your
need-
fingers, so be very careful.
You have to count the drops you
2,
do.
3, 4. They come out fast. All right.
Okay,
we
so
have
we're
this
gonna mix
pretty red. Oh,
those.
that's so pretty.
That is really pretty.
I love this. All right.
You can't really. We didn't have a lot of milk because you don't need a lot. So there's
Yeah.
the red,
Just a little.
blue,
I'm
and
gonna try using a Q-tip. So maybe you guys have You can use paintbrushes, but they need to be clean because you're probably gonna want to eat your toast, right? So I've never used this, so I'm gonna just try it and see what happens. So I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, it works. Oh, you guys, it works. Yep.
Here's my bread. I'm gonna do this pretty blue. So dip it in. I know it's kind of hard to see, but
But it
dip
is.
it in
It's
and
working.
paint.
It's where see the yellow.
Ooh.
So I think a Q-tip would be good because at least you know it's clean.
And the blue.
I don't want you using a dirty, nasty paintbrush.
Mm-hmm.
If you have clean ones, great. All right, then I'm gonna switch to.
So you can kind of dab it on, brush
Yeah.
it on, however you want. This is all your choice how to do it.
the reds.
You have siblings, they could have a piece of toast too, piece of bread to decorate.
Kind of dab it on is what she said. It works a little bit better than painting it. Can you see what I'm doing? Kind of dabbing it on. It actually works a lot easier than trying to brush it. It's really gonna soak into that Q-tip, so you gotta really kind of. It's kind of like you're squeezing it out,
Yeah.
something like that.
This is our first time using Q-tips, so
Yeah,
it worked out.
I wanted to try an experiment and see. I wanted to find something you guys would have at home.
If you don't have this at home, you could try, we talked about maybe using a spoon, putting a tiny, tiny bit and
Yeah.
kind of scooping it on so the bread can soak it up. Look guys, look what's starting to happen. Do you see
Oh,
that
it's
little
just
spot? So I have
Oh.
blue and yellow. I'm gonna put a little bit more yellow on my blue and watch what happens. Let me hold it close. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more yellow on my blue.
Cassie's mixing.
I'm gonna mix some colors and see what happens.
And
We
some
can
of
also
you
make
know we've
them-
read a book called Little Yellow, Little Blue. Do you know what color they make when they hug? Do you remember?
Remember?
Audrey, do you remember? Come on, somebody. Yellow and blue
remember
make. Is it working?
What is it? It worked!
That's perfect.
Green! How cool is that, guys? I bet Miss Kelly can mix her blue and red. See what happens.
I wonder what blue and red make.
This is so fun.
Anybody know what happens when you mix blue and red? So there in the middle, I did blue and purple. Sorry, blue and red. There you go.
Sorry.
Can you see that? I made purple. So look at my bread. Okay, I'm
Cool.
sorry, you guys. Not good. There's my toast.
Awesome. So let's do, we have more plain milk, so we decided blue and yellow make green,
Green.
okay? So I'm gonna put 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of yellow. I wish you guys could see this better. Okay, 1 drop of blue. Hello.
Oh, what's happening?
And get it, let's like, yeah, there.
Okay.
Okay, so there's my 1 drop of blue, perfect. And then I'm gonna get yellow. So we think it's gonna turn into green, right? Let's find out. Again, maybe have someone else do it because you only need a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, there's my blue and yellow. Let's mix.
She's gonna stir it up. Check
Just
it.
stir.
Yep, she did it.
Oh,
That's
cool.
a very
That's
pretty
a really
green.
pretty green. I love that as
So
a nail
put that
polish.
on your.
Yeah. Okay. So now let's put it on the toast. Ooh, yeah. It's like sea foamy.
Yeah.
And if you want it more blue or more green, just put another drop of blue or another drop of yellow. I meant more blue or more yellow. So that made a really pretty teal color. Look at that. Very
so
cool.
pretty. Right there.
You guys see it?
And then I'm gonna mix it up.
So that was blue and red.
Does it look kind of purpley? Yeah.
Oh, it's like
Yeah.
a deep purple.
Yeah. And I could have added more.
That's
but there you go.
beautiful.
So I made purple.
Ooh, yay!
Kind of dot that on my.
See what that one looks like. So you guys can really have fun with this. Mix some colors. Some colors don't mix. So some colors, if you mix them, it'll turn into brown. And you'll find that out.
And you will, yeah, exactly.
But we
yeah,
know
there's the
that
purple.
blue and yellow mix and red and purple mix.
And it's kind of cool to use the Q-tips because it soaks the color and so you can actually see the color. On the paintbrush, I don't think you're going to be able to see it. It's very vibrant. You won't be able to see it very
It's
well.
beautiful.
It's very pretty.
We have one more to mix. I just remembered.
Okay.
Red and yellow.
All right, we've got one more.
See, we need a refresher too, don't we? Okay, so here's my plain milk. It's white. What color?
I don't know what I'm doing.
So I think, yeah, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, so here's my white. So I'm gonna do 1 drop of yellow. Okay. And there. And one, it's hard to, and 1 drop of red. See, we're still learning too, guys. Okay, so I have yellow and red. Let's mix and see.
Oh, cool.
Ooh.
What did she make?
That is pretty. The red is a lot darker than yellow, so you might need 2 drops of yellow.
Does that look orange?
Looks like orange.
Love it.
Look at
Now she can add
that.
orange to her bread.
It's like orange is a pumpkin.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, pretty.
Nice.
So you guys can really have fun with it. Find out what colors mix.
The next step after you've done all this fun color changing is we're gonna put it in a toaster
Ooh.
and get it so that the colors kind of warm up together and then you can eat it.
Yes.
So we will get ours toasted.
Yes. It's not plugged in. We can put our bread in so you can see our bread. It's like a little tie-dye. Ooh, I love Miss Kelly's
Yeah,
purple.
thanks.
That's pretty.
Yeah, the purple was pretty.
So we're gonna go plug this in and toast it, and we'll come back when we toast
We're
it.
back! Our toast is ready.
Look at that. So again, have someone help you because it's gonna be hot.
Guys, look at check it out.
Maybe let it cool.
Yes, that's hot. Oh,
Yeah.
but it's so
Oh, look at
pretty.
that.
Then it soaked it. It got it all
Yeah.
hot.
So when you toast it, kind of like dries the milk and it makes it kind of
Yeah.
crispy and
You have fancy
very
toast.
cool. Yeah, and it's edible because it's, oh my goodness,
Who
it's
doesn't
just
love
milk.
Who doesn't love fancy toast for breakfast?
That's right.
Right?
Yeah. You put some cinnamon sugar on it. Yeah, I'll have a bite. Oh, hot. That's pretty good.
It's good though. All right, guys, enjoy your colorful toast.
Happy color mixing.
See you guys.
Bye.